where is, in Norwegian.
Hvor er?
Travel phrase. Welcome. Hey you, velkommen. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more tips and freebies at www.synapse-lingo.com. Today you'll nail the travel lifesaver. Where is? In Norwegian, that's
Hvor er?
simple, powerful, and guaranteed to save your feet. Your goal today. Your mission. Confidently say.
Hvor er?
Anywhere, anytime. We'll compare English, where is, with.
Hvor er?
Add real places and practice easy replies. Pro tip.
Hvor er?
Means, where is, while.
Hvor ligger?
Is, where is, located, both are fine for travelers. The phrase and rhythm. Lock in the sound with a quick chant. 2-beat chant.
Hvor er?
Say it with me.
Hvor er?
Now with places.
Hvor er toalettet?
Where is the bathroom?
Hvor er stasjonen?
Where is the station? Dialogues. Let's drop you into mini scenes, follow along and repeat the Norwegian. A. Excuse me, where is the restroom? B.
Hvor er? Toalettet er der borte.
The bathroom is over there. A. I lost my phone, where is it? B.
Hvor er? Telefonen min? Den er på disken.
It's on the counter. A. Where is the nearest ATM? B.
Hvor er? Nærmeste minibank er til venstre.
The nearest ATM is to the left. Street help. A.
Unnskyld, hvor er stasjonen?
B.
Det er til venstre, 2 kvartaler.
It's to the left, 2 blocks. Infodesk. A. Excuse me, where is? B.
Hvor er? Hva leter du etter?
What are you looking for? Drill time. Call and response. Say the Norwegian out loud. I'll cue you in English. Bathroom. Say, where is the bathroom?
Hvor er toalettet?
Station. Say, where is the station?
Hvor er stasjonen?
My wallet. Say, where is my wallet?
Hvor er lommeboken min?
Exit. Say, where is the exit?
Hvor er utgangen?
My phone. Say, where is my phone?
Hvor er telefonen min?
Nearest ATM. Say, where is the nearest ATM?
Hvor er nærmeste minibank?
Pronoun practice. Say, where is it?
Hvor er den?
Culture tip. Sound natural and polite, tiny tweaks, big wins. In Oslo trams, tourists often whisper.
Hvor er?
Before hopping off at National Theatre. Add.
Unnskyld.
Excuse me, to start politely.
Unnskyld, hvor er utgangen?
Avoid the false friend.
Hvordan er?
Means, how is, not, where is. Alternatives you might hear.
Hvor ligger?
And.
Hvor befinner seg?
You're golden sticking with.
Hvor er?
Quick quiz. Speed round, answer out loud. 1. How do you say, where is, in Norwegian?
Hvor er?
2. Translate. Where is the museum?
Hvor er museet?
3. Odd one out, not asking location.
Hvor er? Hvor ligger? Når er? Hvor befinner seg?
Answer.
Når er?
When is. 4. Complete it.
Understrek, 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 understrek er.
Stasjonen, answer.
Hvor er?
5. Listening check. If you hear.
Det er til venstre.
What does it mean? It's to the left. Mini challenge. Ready for a laugh and a memory trick? Use the gesture. Raise both hands, palms up, slight shrug, and say.
Hvor er?
Picture a neon sky billboard blinking.
Hvor er?
Over the whole city, hard to forget. And if your GPS says, recalculating, forever, just ask a human.
Unnskyld, hvor er stasjonen?
Then smile and finish with.
Takk.
Goodbye. You did great, high five. Today you mastered.
Hvor er?
With real places.
Toalettet. Stasjonen. Lommeboken min. Utgangen.
And.
Nærmeste minibank.
Keep practicing the chant and mini dialogues. Thanks for listening. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. For more lessons, quizzes, and downloads, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. VS's.
Takk.